So one of the biggest features in the primary bedroom was the view. We wanted to expand on their existing windows and widen these to really take advantage of the flat iron views as much as possible. We also upgraded, the drywall, the paint, the fan, the flooring to all match with the rest of the home. So we are in the primary bathroom of the Newlands home, and this is another example of how we really like to have consistency throughout the home when it comes to design aesthetic. We did a great job matching this color with the neolith, and I'm so glad we added this in the backsplash. And this is just one area you can tell, our fabricators did an amazing job with book matching from the countertop to the backsplash here. So moving into the shower of the primary bathroom, this is what I consider the ultimate spa lover's dream. We incorporated 2 fixed shower heads and then as well as a rain shower head. We have our hand wand as well, and then radiant floor heat that is running throughout the entire bathroom. And then we obviously can't miss the neolith that we took from the backsplash and the countertop over by the vanity and then ran it all the way into the shower here too for just a beautiful effect.